Looking at hieroglyphs, which involves the use of pictures most of the time, what the ancient Egyptians do when they tend to write an essay, they, however, have to find a way to do this or diversify a way to do this, even though they have the hieroglyphs. Something to know about hieroglyphs is that it takes a long time to write, the carvings takes a long time to draw out, and although it can also stand the test of time. Hieroglyphy is a form of writing which mostly are being carved on monuments or artifacts which are meant to look good or stand the test of time. So talking about heretic, so what is the heretic language or the heretic form of writing? A heretic form of writing is a pattern of writing which helps the ancient Egyptians to write faster, aging on stones or a letter. Comparing how old the heretic writing is when compared to the hieroglyphs, we can say the heretic form of writing is also as old as the hieroglyphs. Looking at the hieroglyphs is a form of writing which is mostly for the royals or the religious bodies of the priest. Let's put it as just for the royal people and the priest. Why the heretic writing is meant for the public, yeah, just for the general people, for the commoners. It's a form of writing which is about 3000 to 3200 BC, just like the hieroglyphics. Hieratic is a cursive form of writing when compared to the hieroglyphs, which is a non-cursive form of writing. The hieratic form of writing has been in existence before the development of the demotic script, which came into existence around the 650 BC, around 650 BC. We can also put it in a nutshell that the demotic form of writing also evolved from the hieratic form of writing. In the long history of using hieratic language or the hieratic form of writing, it was used to write documents, legals, accounts, texts, and also religious texts. Hieratic is a form of writing which is being taught to the public, to students, compared to the hieroglyphs, which has only been taught to a set of people, that's the royals and the priests. The hieratic is meant for the general public. So one thing that we should come to our mind is that how is a hieratic language written, since the hieroglyphs are being written on monuments, on artifacts, or a specific form. When it comes to the heretic is written on papyrus. It's a form of paper which was being created from a papyrus plant, and it's also written on wood and on stones with the aid of a brush in ink. A heretic form of writing can either be written horizontally or in column, or either from the left or the right. But from the 12th dynasty, it was mandatory to write heretic horizontally. The heretic language or the heretic script has an influence or a long time influence on other form of language or writing, such as the demotic writing or demotic language, the Coptic writing or language, and the language of the old Nubians. In a nutshell, we can say the reason why heretic language was being developed was due to the fact that hieroglyphs aren't suitable for everyday form of writing. As it also requires high skill for you to be able to write the hieroglyphs. Some of the characteristics of heretic writing is that it can be written from the right to the left and the left back to the right. Another advantage of heretic is that it can be used in literary, religious, or let's say in the use of writing of legal text. Looking at the downside of the heretic compared to the hieroglyphs can stand the test of time compared to the heretic, and mostly the hieroglyphs are written on monuments. Can really write the heretic on monument and expect such a writing to stand the test of time. In summary, the reason why the heretic language was developed was due to the fact that it can be written conveniently. It's due to the fact of conveniency. So thank you very much for clicking on this video. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and do well to follow African Need on Facebook and TikTok.